Good evening. Welcome into the evening edition of From Day One. Where we left off in the afternoon is where we'll pick up tonight. More of Judge Simpson's crazy day.
Court calls the case, People State of Michigan versus Justin Pardon.
We did Michigan Atra for the people?
Yeah, wait. Go to Michael Vincent on behalf of Justin Pardon. Mr. Pardon, I believe, is on the street. Justin Pardon?
Yes, sir.
All right, what are we doing on these cases? Say your name.
Justin Pardon.
Your name, Mr. Pardon.
Justin Pardon.
Thank you. What are we doing on these cases? I filed a motion to withdraw for numerous reasons. I believe the court has reviewed it, and I'll stand by that motion.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't. When did you file a motion to withdraw? When? June 30th. Did you file that at the clerk's office or here with us? Oh, that's where we filed it.
Good afternoon.
It has not. Pardon?
I was just going to say it was emailed to Miss Tang that day.
Well, that's a problem. She's no longer with me. I say happily. I could put it on the record then, Your Honor. Go ahead. There's been a complete breakdown in attorney-client relationship. Number 2, the client is unwilling or unable to satisfy contractual obligations. Number 3, client failed to appear at scheduled office appointments on numerous occasions. Number 4, client failed to appear at the Center of Forensic Psychology for scheduled competency eval on November 28, 2022, despite being informed by this office. Number 5, Clinton accused attorney of being a crook. Number 6, client expressed his reluctance at being represented by an attorney on numerous occasions. Number 7, client has used inappropriate, abusive language towards members of my staff on numerous occasions. Number 8, attorney has given client adequate notice that attorney will be withdrawing. And that's a law firm. Yes. Mr. Pardon, anything you want to say regarding his motion to withdraw?
Not at this time, no.
The motion to withdraw is granted. This becomes a public defender case this time. Mr. Pardon?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to give you a phone number. You are to contact the Washtenaw County Public Defender's Office. You wish to be represented by counsel. Is that not correct?
Yes, correct.
So you need to call this number. You got something to write with?
Yes, sir. Ready?
Sir, area code 734.
Okay.
2222.
All right.
6970.
6970.
Yes, you need to give them a phone number as well as an email address.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
I will adjourn the probable cause in this matter, and I see you looking, Mr. Lauren Brown. Probable cause in this matter, I'll make this August 17, 2023 at 9. And would indicate yes, I'll make that at 9. And Mr. Brown, I'll give you the case numbers, okay, if you want them. Yes. The one case, which is resealing and retaining a financial transaction device, that's 22F1 1260. Yeah. And then larceny in a building, which is 22F1 1297.
Thank you.
Thank you. And defendant's bond at this time will continue. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Court calls the case, People versus Randy Penix.
Ready, Your Honor.
Stephen Kirby on behalf of the people.
Randy Penix here.
Your Honor, Randall Upshaw, P number 43574, on behalf of Mr. Penix.
Good morning, or good afternoon. All right, what are we doing on this case, folks?
Your Honor, I am in receipt of the discovery, but I haven't had the opportunity to talk to the APA about a possible resolution.
All right. How much time would you need to try to get that done?
I can get to her as soon as she's available. So I think it'd be best if she gives a date, and I'll make it.
Well, what I'll do is I'll just adjourn this out to the 17th, and you guys figure out a way to touch base before then. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, bond will continue. Thank you. Court does call the case, the People versus Shelley Rothwell.
Ready, Your Honor?
Alex Jablowski for the people.
Your Honor, good afternoon. Tom Pietrowski on behalf of Ms. Rothwell. Shelley, would you unmute yourself, please, and identify yourself by stating your name?
Yes, my name is Shelley Rothwell.
Thank you, ma'am.
What are you doing?
Your Honor, I've had a chance to talk with the assistant prosecutor, and I believe he's made an offer that my client would be pleading to one count of 750.50 sub 2 sub A, which is a misdemeanor. It's failing to provide adequate.
Was there a plea form sent to us?
I believe so, Judge.
All I have is, I don't have a plea form.
Oh,
Very good. Thank you, Alan. I do have it. All I have is a police report.
Judge, with the court's permission, I can send that to the court right now. I thought Mr. Pietrowski had sent it.
No, you guys got to get it beforehand. You needed to get that to Ms. Wyman. You got the police report. You got to get the whole package. Probable cause will be adjourned August 10th, 2023, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
August 10th, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Court calls case, People versus Jaquan Runyon.
Hey, Mr. Ganatra for the people.
David I. Goldstein appearing on behalf of the defendant.
on behalf of Kells.
Mr. Runyon.
Yes, I'm here.
Bravo. All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, Mr. Ganatra and I are confident that we can get a resolution of this matter. We just need a little more time. We talked about possibly the 17th.
I don't care what you guys say. All right, I'll adjourn it out to the 17th.
Judge, I asked this time.
Yeah, I know.
Judge, I'm here every week. Mr. Goldstein, of course, has vacations and other court appearances.
Right. August 17th, 2023, 9 a.m. Bond continued. Thank you.
Your Honor. All right, neighbors, we'll be in touch.
Court calls case of the People versus Tej Sheikh.
Yeah, thank you.
Alex Jablowski for the people.
And good afternoon, Your Honor. For the record, Orlando Simone, Student Legal Services, on behalf and with Mr. Chef. And Tej, would you please unmute and state your name for the court, please?
Yes, all right, what are we doing?
All right. And Your Honor, we finally received word that the second case, which is the reason we adjourn this matter, has been authorized and finally entered. I will be getting my client arraigned on that as soon as possible. and then I can talk to the prosecutor's office about both of these cases and potential global resolution. So we would be asking for a little bit more time on this matter, enough so I could get my client arraigned to get a probable cause conference scheduled on that and tag them both together.
August 24th, 2023, 9 a.m.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Bond continued. Thank you.
Have a good afternoon.
Yep. Courthouse case of People versus Catherine Small.
On behalf of the people.
David Chan on behalf of Catherine Small, who's appearing via Zoom. Katie, can you please unmute and state your name for the record?
Catherine Small.
Your Honor, I did send an extensive email to Ms. Kirby this morning, which seeing she had about 37 cases on this docket, I am positive she never even had a chance to look at. But we'd like to explore a treatment court option for Katie, and I think she's going to be able to qualify. So if we could have a 2 or 3 week adjournment to allow her to be screened and assessed for qualification to a treatment court, that would be great.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
August 17th, 2023, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, could you repeat that date?
Really? I've been saying it all day. Really? You need it repeated? Seriously.
Oh, no. Okay.
No, okay, I'll do it just for you. August 17th, 2023, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Court calls the case. People versus Alan Smith.
Kimberly Dodge on behalf of the people.
Yes, good afternoon, Your Honor. May it please the court, Delphia Burton appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Smith. Appeal number is 47688.
Good afternoon. And is Alan Smith here? I need you to unmute and state your name. Mr. Smith. Yeah, wrong button. That was the camera. Other one was the microphone. Can you get it, Mr. Smith? If you're at a computer, hold down your space bar. He's on a phone. Oh, there you go.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
State your name.
Alan Smith.
All right, fantastic. All right, folks, what are we doing on this case?
So, Your Honor, I did have an opportunity to review the discovery with Mr. Smith. I spoke to, or at least by email, to Ms. Kirby yesterday, and she indicated that I could send her, submit something to her for consideration of the district court resolution.
Okay.
I don't know if it wants to set an exam far out or give us an opportunity.
Not really. How much time will it take you to get that there and try to get an answer, get it resolved at this stage?
I don't know, within 2 weeks, is that possible, Ms. Kirby?
If you can get the information sent to me next week, yes.
Okay.
All right. Why don't I, August 17th, 2023, 9 a.m., give you one more week out than that.
I have a trial.
Okay.
I have a trial on the 17th.
So somebody just said that to me, didn't they? There's going to be more than one trial going on that day? Seriously, I didn't know the courts worked that way. All right, never mind. I got it. August 24th. Will that work for you, Ms. Bird?
Yes, it will, Your Honor.
All right. August 24th, 2023, 9 a.m. Your Zoom invite indicates bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day, everyone.
Thank you. Court calls the case. People versus Alvin Walker.
Nimish Ganatra for the people. Edward Drukas for Alvin Walker.
Alvin Walker. All right. And what are we doing?
Your Honor, still looking for a video of the stop. Working with prosecutor on getting that video. And I'm not sure much longer it may take.
3 ways. $300 years.
So, what do you want me to do with the case?
I'd ask for an adjournment.
August 24th, 2023. 9 a.m. Pardon?
When I interrupt you, it's usually because I'm asking about a community corrections report. If you have a copy of it in your file.
Yes, I do.
Okay,
and
that's all. And I'll let you finish.
All right. So during it out to August 24th, 2023 at 9. Sir, do you have a medical marijuana card?
No, I do not. But I finally tested negative my last test. I want to make sure.
Yeah, well, kinda negative. You were negative, but your creatinine was abnormal, which I would consider a positive test, quite frankly.
Busted.
I don't know, Your Honor. I've been drinking a lot of water. I've been staying away from marijuana.
Yeah, I know. It's probably what is messing up your creatinine. All right, well, you'll continue testing, and I'm just going to indicate there will be no more abnormal tests and no more positives. Understood?
Yes, sir.
At this time, I'll let your bond continue. Thank you.
Normally, I'd have thrown your ass in jail.
Court calls the case, People versus Kenya Weatherspoon. Or Kenya Weatherspoon.
Kenya, Your Honor.
Nimish Kanatra for the people. Edward Drukas for Kenya Weatherspoon.
Kenya Weatherspoon? They're here. Can you unmute and state your name, please?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. It's Kenya Weatherspoon.
All right, turn your camera on. What are we doing on this?
It says it won't let me turn my camera on.
Okay. Not going to worry about it. Just what are we doing?
Wait, Your Honor, this was going to be a waiver.
Well, I need a camera.
Thought he had a working camera. If it's not working, I don't mind having an adjournment for a week or at the court's preference.
Probable cause, August 10th, 2023, 9 a.m. Give him time to fix his camera and learn how it works. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Get back in before I finish. Court calls the case, People versus Jennifer Krent. Right after this.
Alex Chavalowski for the people.
And William Hayes on behalf of Ms. Crench. Ms. Crench, unmute yourself and state your name, please.
Jennifer Crunch.
I do have before me a plea for us that what we're doing.
One at a time, please.
The form indicates that the defendant will be pleading guilty to the charge of use of a controlled substance. Upon a successful plea to that charge, counts 1 and 2 would be dismissed. Is that correct?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Ma'am, can you please raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do. Yes.
State your name for the record, please.
Jennifer Crunch.
Ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you're going to be pleading guilty to the charge of use of a controlled substance, that being cocaine. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration and or $1,000 fine plus court costs. Do you understand that?
I do.
All right. I also have to inform you, ma'am, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge, and you would be sentenced before Judge Perry in the 15th District Court. Do you understand that?
I do.
Understanding all of that, do you still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
Because of that, you're giving up certain rights. You're giving up your right to call witnesses to speak for you at trial or to have this court compel their attendance. You're giving up your right to see, hear, and question all witnesses against you at trial. You're also giving up your right to be a witness for yourself or to remain silent, not have that silence used against you. And you're giving up your right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Do you understand that?
I do.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right?
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
I am.
All right. Were you on probation at the time of this offense?
I was not.
Okay. Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead guilty to this charge?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
No.
I am.
And because you are indeed guilty of this offense?
Yes.
I'm told I had to say that, yes.
December 19, 2022, at the location of 727 Miller Avenue, City of Ann Arbor, Washington County, State of Michigan, did you have cocaine in your possession or a mixture containing cocaine in your possession?
No.
Yes.
Had you used it?
Of course.
Yes.
And did you know what you were using was cocaine?
Let's go with yes.
Counsel, have I complied with the court ruling? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 3. Counts 1 and 2 are dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 15th District Court probation. Sentencing in this matter will be
At 9:30 a.m. with Judge Perry.
August 18, 2023, 9:30 a.m. before Judge Perry. Bond will continue. Thank you
very much, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Court recalls the case People versus Mark Ullman.
Ready, Your Honor. Stephen Barker, P3603 on behalf of Mr. Allman.
Mr. Ullman?
Really?
Sakes.
Fuck.
He was
He's not connected. I'm just, you know what? I'm not dealing with this anymore. Probable cause conference, during this whole matter out, show cause that, not dealing with his bench warrant because he's got to learn how to get on. Turning everything out to next week, August 3rd, 2023, 9 a.m., or as your Zoom invite indicates. At this time, his bond will continue with the bench warrant. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case, People versus Albert White.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Grace Broughton appearing on behalf of the people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. It's Scott Weinberg, B45874, on behalf of Mr. White. I believe he's on, Judge. There he is.
I think he is. Mr. White, can you state your name?
Albert Eugene White.
Got him. Okay, what are we doing?
Your Honor, there's still some outstanding discovery that the prosecutor and I are trying to get the videos. I'd ask for adjournment to the 17th.
Well, you don't get to pick your day.
If you let us.
Fine. I'll give you the 17th, just as once.
Thank you.
9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls the case, People versus Nathaniel White.
Okay, my daughter's on behalf of the people.
Good afternoon to this honorable court. Carla Marable, P number 62755 on behalf of Mr. White. Mr. White, please state your full name for the record, sir.
Their value, Ellen White.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Your Honor, we can proceed to preliminary exam on this case. And can we have the 15th? Because I have something else in front of you on the 15th.
No. That's not how it works.
That's not how it works. You gave everybody else.
That's not how it works. You don't get to pick your judge or the date. You want an exam?
Yes, Your Honor.
It would be, this one would normally be set for the 8th. Are you available for the 8th?
I will be in Paris on the 8th. I leave on the 4th, and I don't get back to the 11th.
Is that Paris, Kentucky, or is she at Paris, France?
Paris, France.
Oh, okay. I didn't know. I'm just.
Yeah.
I'm thinking Paris, Texas, Your Honor.
Yes, when I was in college, and I'm living my best life, Your Honor.
Oh, I see. Okay. I guess she's gonna do all that. I'll set a preliminary examination. I'll set it for the 15.
Thank you, Yana.
2023. However, that's at 9 a.m., but that's before Judge Balvo.
Thank you. Have a
In
great
person.
day.
Thank
Mr.
you.
White, I
Bond
will.
continued. Enjoy Paris. Safe travels to you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Mr.
Your Honor.
White, give me a call.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. That's it
Yes.
for me today.
That's it?
Yes. Not going to France. but
What date did I just give you?
You gave me the 15th, but in front of Judge Balbo.
Oh, okay. All right. Just checking, making sure you're listening. All right.
Can't make
That's it for me too. I'll see you on Wednesday.
All righty.
Thanks,
Take
Your
care,
Honor.
guys.
Bye.
All righty. Bye-bye. Court does call the case. The people of the state of Michigan versus Bylan Zhao.
And Michigan Atra for the people. Good afternoon, Your Honor. John Jackmack appearing on behalf of Ms. Zhao, who is also here in this virtual hearing.
Would you state your name, please?
Failing Zhao.
All right. What are we doing?
And I've had an opportunity to speak to APA Ganatra. We received written discovery yesterday. He is aware that we previously requested the video evidence in this case. I'm asking that we adjourn the probable cause conference. If Your Honor is so inclined, August 17th. Seems like a good day.
Fine. It's my last case. I'll just do it. August 17th,
Fuck it.
2023.
Fuck it, guys. 17. You good. 17. Just fuck it. 17.
Bond will continue. Thank you.
Your Honor. Have a great day.
I like that. Fuck it. You can have the 17th.
Is that it?
Yes.
That's it for us. Mr. Gaddafi, have a good one, sir.
Yep, I'm out next week, so you'll have somebody else to call upon at the beginning of the docket.
Wow. I'll be here. Darn.
And with that, we thank you, Judge Simpson, for bringing with us some fun for today. And with that, that'll bring us to a close as we'll go ahead and upgrade Julius real quick as we head on out the door. As always, please make sure you do like, share, and subscribe. Help us get the goal of 50,000 views, 1,000 subscribers, so that we can send those presents to you guys as we get them from good old Boxy. Till then, thanks for watching from day one. Have the best nights. We'll see everyone bright and early tomorrow.